Top 7 Vegetables for Better Blood Sugar Control. Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on delicious and nutritious meals. Did you know that some vegetables can actually help stabilize blood sugar and boost your overall health? That's right. In this video, we're uncovering 7 powerful vegetables that are perfect for anyone looking to take control of their health naturally. Stick around until the end to discover how to make the most of these diabetes-friendly superfoods in your daily meals. Before we dive in, if you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us bring you more tips and insights to live a healthier life. 1. Bell peppers. Bright and colorful, bell peppers are a fantastic addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. They're low in carbs but packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation, a key factor for managing diabetes. Bell peppers also add a sweet crunch to your meals without spiking blood sugar. Use them in salads, stir-fries, or even as a healthy snack stuffed with hummus. 2. Leafy greens, spinach and kale. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are nutritional powerhouses. Rich in fiber, magnesium, and vitamins A and K, these greens support heart health and improve insulin sensitivity. Incorporate them into smoothies, soups, or salads for a simple way to enjoy their benefits. Pro tip: pair your greens with a splash of lemon juice to boost iron absorption. 3. Zucchini. Zucchini is a versatile vegetable with a low glycemic index, making it ideal for controlling blood sugar. Its high water and fiber content help with digestion and weight management. Whether spiralized into zoodles, grilled as a side dish, or added to casseroles, zucchini is a simple yet effective choice for balanced meals. We hope you're finding this information helpful. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to hit the like button to let us know you want more content like this. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more tips for controlling blood sugar and improving your health. 4. Tomatoes. Juicy and flavorful, tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, an antioxidant that promotes heart health and reduces oxidative stress. They're also low in carbs, making them a diabetes-friendly option. Use fresh tomatoes to make homemade sauces, or enjoy them roasted with a sprinkle of herbs for a savory, nutrient-rich side dish. 5. Mushrooms. Mushrooms might not be the first vegetable you think of for diabetes, but they're a hidden gem. Packed with polysaccharides and antioxidants, they can help regulate blood sugar and improve gut health. Sauté mushrooms with garlic and olive oil for a quick side dish, or add them to soups and stews for extra depth and nutrition. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is a superstar when it comes to blood sugar control. It's rich in fiber and sulforaphane, a compound that helps reduce inflammation and improve glucose metabolism. Roast broccoli with olive oil and a pinch of garlic powder for a delicious, diabetes-friendly snack or side dish. 7. Cucumbers. Refreshing and hydrating, cucumbers are perfect for managing blood sugar. With their high water content and low calorie count, they're great for snacking or adding crunch to your salads. Try slicing cucumbers and pairing them with Greek yogurt or blending them into a smoothie for a light, diabetes-friendly treat. Conclusion: small steps, big changes. Incorporating these 7 vegetables into your diet can make a big difference in managing diabetes and improving overall health. From the fiber in broccoli to the antioxidants in mushrooms, each veggie brings its own unique benefits to your plate. Remember, small steps like these can lead to big changes in your health journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear which vegetable you're excited to try first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.